Have you ever felt like your mind is constantly running on a treadmill you can't stop? Thoughts spinning, stress piling up, decisions feeling heavier every day. What if I told you that the key to mastering your mind isn't in expensive retreats, long hours of meditation, or mystical techniques? It's in a practice so simple, yet so powerful, that emperors and slaves used it alike. This is Stoic Meditation, a philosophy born in the harsh streets of Rome, forged in the minds of men like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus. And yet, it's more relevant today than ever before. Why? Because life hasn't changed that much. Stress, distractions, fear, uncertainty, they're constant companions. Stoic meditation teaches you not to fight these things, but to understand them, control your reactions, and stay unshaken. So, what exactly is Stoic meditation? It's not sitting cross-legged for hours trying to empty your mind. That's one type of meditation. Stoic meditation is about reflection, observation, and preparation. It's training your mind to see the world clearly, to separate what you can control from what you cannot, and to face life's challenges with calm and clarity. Here's how it works. First, negative visualization. Sounds scary, right? But it's simple. Spend a few minutes imagining the challenges you might face today or in the near future. Imagine losing something you value or a difficult conversation going wrong. Why? Because your mind becomes stronger when it's prepared. You learn to face obstacles without panic. Research shows that mentally rehearsing challenges reduces anxiety and Next, daily reflection. Marcus Aurelius, the emperor, kept a journal. Each morning and evening, he wrote about his thoughts, his goals, and the lessons of the day. You can do the same. Ask yourself, what can I control today? Where did I react poorly yesterday? What can I do better tomorrow? Even 5 minutes of writing clears mental clutter, improves focus, and builds self-discipline. Responses. Traffic jam, rude colleague, missed opportunity. It's all outside your control. But your reaction, that's yours. Focusing on what you can influence reduces stress and makes decision-making sharper. Finally, premeditation of adversity. Imagine a tough situation unfolding before it happens. You see yourself handling it calmly, making the right choices, and staying composed. It's not pessimism. Your journey to a stronger mind begins now. Master your thoughts, embrace challenges, and become the unshakable person you were meant to be. This is how you meditate the Stoic way.